this is Arshad from Technology.net. So in this video we are going to unbox the RGB Me2 mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is a blue switches. I ordered it from AliExpress and it took almost 3 months to arrive. So now we are going to unbox this. So let's go. So inside we got this black box. As you can see, the Zero eSport gaming gear it's written. So now we are going to also unbox this. So inside we got this, the keyboard and with a sponge to prevent it from damaging. So inside we got this manual, and also we got this key picker, so we can easily get out some keys if we want to remove it. So we will put this box on the side, and now let's go to the keyboard itself. So this is the Zero Me2 keyboard, mechanical keyboard. So it is the blue switches. Now let me just put it connect it to the laptop. So as you can see, it is feeling so good and nice. As you can see, it is a mechanical keyboard. So if you want to change the color, just press Fn to F9. So as you can see, let me just turn off the lights. So to show you in better way. So let me just, as you can see, this is very best features in it. If you press the light key, it will show this effect. This is the another effect in it. And here is the another effect. And here go the another effect. Here go the other effect. And let's try another. Let's try another effect. So this is, so let's just start from the beginning. So guys, that's it. So let me just turn on the lights again. So guys, this is the keyboard. I got it in very decent price. So I will put the link to this keyboard in the description. So you can also order it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.